Novembro at the Agora Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will show you from where you can get this add yours sticker right here and how you can do a story with it. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, and then from here you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, now I will show you from where you can get that sticker. So you will have to go to November, add yours at highlight. If you go to the story, you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But you will definitely find it at November, add yours. Now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. You can also find and try my other viral trends if you like. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a tutorial for you that can help you in the description box below, and I will also put it in the first pinned comment. And in the description box you will also find many other helpful tutorial, like if the highlights are not loading, so you may check those too. So now you have to go to upload and choose your first photo. First I will go with this one. Now you have to place it in the left top corner by using your two fingers. Now you have to add another photo by going to stickers from the top of the screen. Then scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery. But I will leave it just with one photo to make the video short. Place your sticker where you want to bring it up front. You just have to click on it and share this with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the others button, I have a tutorial on Instagram here too. So you have to go to super viral at highlights this time, and here you will find the tutorial. Not able to click on others button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. It will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes, super easy to follow, and it will definitely help you. So guys, if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and you can also comment in the comment section down below if the video was helpful, if you like this add your sticker, and you can also like the video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.